Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Felicito Corpus, 33 years old, and have a living partner with 3 kids. I graduated 2-year course of hotel and restaurant services. My height is 159 centimeters.
Go.
I have 2 years experience of housemaid in Philippines. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids.
Go.
My duties and responsibilities is cleaning, cooking, marketing, and washing clothes, taking care of pets, and taking care of kids. I'm willing to take care of babies, kids, and healthy elderly. And I'm willing to take care of pets, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods. I love kids and I love to sing a song with them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let them go again. I hope, Mom and Sir, you will hire me. Thank you and God bless.